Good morning, MW gain trading, crypto. Welcome, retail fam. Welcome to a very great stream we're gonna do. I was planning on doing. Oh, wait a minute. I hope that you can hear me now. Good morning, gain trading, crypto, MW killer. We're gonna do a vid today about how retailers get wrecked leverage trading. Yes, it's gonna be a really sick stream today. I was planning on doing it, just making a vid, but I thought to myself, why not just a live stream? So we're gonna talk about that. We're gonna talk about some altcoins. We're gonna talk about Bitcoin, a little bit of the markets, but it will be about how retailers are getting wrecked. So yeah, push on the like, give me the thumbs up if you can hear me, share the stream as much as you can, and if you don't want, just don't do it. I don't care anymore at some point. So we're gonna jump in, so bear with me, give me the thumbs up if you can hear me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Welcome, welcome, retail fam. What do we got over here? What do I got over here before I can forget it? Gracias, gracias from Poland, I think. First, hello. Oh, Blue, the Alpimam présent. Mario, good morning. Muhammad Ali. Muhammad Ali, Alco Pop, Stop Dog, Riff Pop, good morning. Raf, goedemorgen. Goedemorgen, goedemorgen. Yeah, we Dutch people, we use the... A lot of people, it hurts their ears when they hear Goedemorgen. There's one word they hate the most. It's 88. You know what it means? It means 88. 88. Let's see, Mr. G. Bass, Tony Lopez. Good morning, good morning. Freedom for all. Oh, Pacino. Let's see what we got more with Sonia. Good morning, Sonia. Anand, good morning. Billy, good morning. DJ Max, Danny Dix. Morning, Amir Lugassi. Good morning, Amir H. In LA. And I'm away to get 30 over. Thank you, Amir. Okay, we'll get... Thank you, guys. Okay, let's jump in. What it's all about today. Let's first of all start with Bitcoin. Bitcoin, what is Bitcoin doing? It's really, on the 12 hours, it's really rejected. Every bounce is a short opportunity. I said it yesterday in Twitter. It's just looking so poor. And, you know, it's just, we trade what we see. And, well, for the long investment, you guys know I'm still bearish. I'm still bearish on the short term. So I'm still waiting for markets to come down. Yesterday, by the way, I like it was Riff Pop. He's in the live stream at this moment. I don't know. He was on Twitter. I don't know if you follow that guy or whatever. He told him, well, would you like to open challenge MB? Then I thought, who is this guy? I went to check him. Bitcoin. I told you Bitcoin's going to 64. I told you Bitcoin's going to 63. I told you Bitcoin's going to the 67. I told you. And I was going through his feed, and only thing that I saw was, I told you this. I told you that. I told you this. I told you that. And then I went into, and then I saw the paid program, $400, $300, $500. And well, it didn't take long. And he removed that tweet from, I don't even know. I don't even care what he said. He removed the tweet. And that's exactly how it is, guys. And, you know, I keep warning you guys. If someone tells you he's bearish or he tells you he's bullish, he needs to tell you why, and he needs to explain you why, because otherwise he's just guessing, and you know, if he get it right, he will tell you like 1,000 times that he was right, and if he'll get it wrong, it's very simple. He just removes that tweet. It's just that simple. All of you guys can do the same. You can all open up and start, I told you Bitcoin is going to 65. Well, if it hits, I told you it hit. I told you this. I told you that. Guys, nobody has got a crystal ball. Nobody. None of them. So these clowns, they're just out there doing what they do, and that's just yelling, shouting, and hoping that they will find some stupid retailers that will believe that crap that they're sharing over there, and they go pay $100, $200, $300, $400 a month, following someone that's just yelling and shouting on Twitter. So I really don't get it. I really don't understand how people follow. And so Riff Pop, also to you, bro. I don't understand why you even gave a reaction to that guy, because you're helping him getting engagement and getting attention. So retailers will go get wrecked and follow that. Well, let's just say what it is. Okay, guys, it's all about leverage trading today. How people are getting wrecked leverage trading. So first of all, let me say this. So before we go into the technicals, we go into the charts. Let's just go into the basics. How retailers get wrecked. We're gonna use Popcat, because Popcat is the one that has been shared by me. So I think that this is actual and people understand. First of all, if you leverage trade, the first thing First lesson number one is, no matter what you're trading, if you trade leverage, you first of all need to know the basic rules of leverage trading if you want to do it as a pro, if you don't want to go gamble on markets. So first of all, the first lesson in leverage trading is you have to be prepared to lose money. Number one. Number two, you have to be controlling your greed and your emotions. That's number two. Number three, you have to be going into the trades with the mindset that I'm going to do all I can to not lose a trade and not to win a trade. If you're going in with the mindset of I want to win this trade, you're going to probably lose it. So don't go in with the mindset of I'm going to win this trade. No, go in with I'm going to do everything I can to not lose this trade. So, and then now comes in the technicals. I shared this. I made a vid. I made a trading course vid. What did I tell you guys? I told you guys exactly what's happening over here. I told you guys what we're seeing on a lot of meme coins, not only this one, there is a very big probability that we will go into this high again and then come down. If you don't believe me, go check my previous vid. You know, exactly what I'm saying here has happened. So I told you it will probably go up to get this liquidity over here, and over here we'll see a lower low, and then from there we go down. So everyone was prepared. If you listen to me, So if you knew this, so if you knew that there is a bigger probability that we will go up from here and then come down, then you are already 2-3 steps ahead on how to make money on this trade. So you know, I don't fear. I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid. I'm going to make money because there is a higher probability that we will come down when we reach this previous high. Now that's something how you go into a trade. This is the mindset when you go enter this trade. It could also have made a high. That's possible. Then you'll probably make a loss over here. You get out. Your stop loss get hit. You lost this trade. That's lesson number one. When you go into a trade, you have to be prepared to lose money. That's leverage trading. The trick is how to win more trades than lose trades. But there was, like explained in my previous vid, there was a high probability that we will come up, get this zone over here, and then come down. Well, if you just acted exactly as I told you, this is not technical, so I'm not going to talk about the indicator and how, etc., etc. We'll come into that one in a moment. This is just without any indicator. This is the big time frame, just looking at it. So when you look at this, your entry could be over here, your entry could be over here, your entry could be over here, whatever, DCA, and then down. So that's number one. If you want to leverage trade and you don't want to get wrecked, now we go into some basics. To not get wrecked, it means that every trade that you want to make, suppose, let me give you guys an example. Suppose that you want to go in with $1,000 on a 20x. That's what you want to go. That's your position size. Never, ever, ever put in the whole amount in one time. So meaning, if you wanted to get into this trade, you always do it in partial positions. So meaning, you open up your first short over here, your second one over here, and then 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 you also have one over here, and then you've got your stop loss over here. This is how you enter a short trade. So you get hit over here, you get hit over here, you get hit. And why is this so important? Why? Because this protects you from your emotions. Because if you would go into this trade, suppose that you think, oh, well, I'm going, let's say this high. You go in with your whole position over here. The price only needs to go up a little bit and then you'll get emotional. You'll see the losses and oh my God, I'm going to get wrecked. Oh my God, I'm losing so much money. You close your position over here in a big loss, and after it the price dumps down, and then you'll get on tilt, and then you'll get crazy, and then what did I do? Why did I close my position? I lost a lot of money. And then what happens? You enter again here, and then the price goes up, and then you lose money again, and then you close your short again over here, and then the price goes down again, etc., etc. Guys, this leverage trading it's made to get into your minds. They want to get you wrecked. They move the price based on how retailers think. You have to break the code. So this is without the indicator. I'm just showing you guys the basic mindset that you need if you want to leverage trade. So if you want to leverage trade, you need a bigger picture first, just like I showed you guys. How do you think that I nil more than 90% of my short positions? How do you think I do that? Because I have no emotions. I have no greed, no emotions. I don't care, and I'm always very calm. Another big, very important part about this, you have to be, especially when you're trading a meme shit going like this, you have to be prepared that there are a lot of scammy market makers hunting us down. So what you do is, suppose that your entry was over here. Your liquidation level needs to be at least over here. It's very important. That's why I'm also keep saying, guys, if you want to leverage trade, you need funds, you need money. And why do you need that money? You need that money to protect yourself from liquidations. And what I mean, if your entry is over here and your liquidation level is over here, it's very stupid. Because this is this is the high. They could push it up onto this high or even higher and you'll get liquidated. But if your liquidation level is over here, you're calm, no emotions. Okay, you want to go up more. I'll add to my short. You go up more, I add to my short. No problem. You go up more, I add to my short. You make a new high, I follow the Indian on the lower time frames. I get out of the trade because this is bullish and it might go much higher. I just get out. I take the loss. You have to be prepared to make a loss, to take a loss. A lot of retailers, their problem is when they get into a trade, they are not ready to lose money on that trade. It's just like they're going, either I'm going to make money or I'm going to get wrecked. It's one of the two. That's not how it works in leverage trading. Because in leverage trading, it's all about probabilities. And there are a lot of other tools you have to use to know when or what to do. You've got the funding rates, you've got the volume, you've got the hype, etc., etc. I'm not going to explain that one today. That's something for the free private. I made a trading course about those ones. But you have to understand that if you want to leverage trade, this, what I just explained, are the basics. So this is just the beginning. And if you don't even know how to begin this, it's a lost game. You're not gonna win. They're gonna destroy you. So you have to, guys, I don't care, watch this 1,000 times what I just explained and try do it also. Go train with it on low amounts and think about what I'm telling you here. Because if you will start understanding what I just said, these basics, only these basics, if you understand them, you're gonna make a lot of money. Let me give you guys an example. In the weekend, the team, let me explain what the team did. The team, they were shorting this on every bounce. They made like 3, 4, 5 winning trades on a rise. So you can't imagine this. So you're seeing PopCat going up, and they made on this rise that you're seeing over here, this rise, they made like 5 short trades and they made money. They also made 2 long trades, but that's using the Indie. So they made like 5 trades making money because this is on the daily, but although it went up every time, every time when they went into the to the short, they closed it in, SL got hit in profits. But not It's not about that. What I'm trying to explain you guys is, yesterday in the free private, I shared with you guys the funding rates on Weex has been solved. So that was, what did I tell you yesterday? I think yesterday, my stream yesterday, I told you Bobcat is getting bumped up. It has got something to do with those sick negative funding rates on Weex. Something I'm not happy about, but it's just what it is. So when market makers will get paid to long an asset, and you got a lot of retailers shorting it, they will destroy them all. But then I told you it's solved. When I told you it's solved, the team, okay, now it's time to go in a bit heavier, especially when we got into this box. So over here is when it started. So let me now go to the 1 hour. Let me put on that sick indicator of mine. So listen, over here, first of all, the team trades a bit different from the safe trading. So the team, they know we had this. This was the resistance zone. So the team, they jumped in over here. They jumped in over here. So, but that's another style. That's not for you. It's now just for safe trading. So you could have opened up a short in this liquidity, in this resistance zone, and put on your stop loss above a new all-time high. You could have done that if you wanted. It's a safe trade, in my opinion. But you could also wait. So over here, we close below it. And then look what those scammy guys open up, stop loss hit. Close below it. Up, stop loss hit. Close below it. You have to be willing to take the damn losses over here. That's how you trade the indicator. You have to be ready to take the losses over here. And over here is when you enter your short, the confirmation. And then let me tell you, this drop over here will make up to all 2 or 3 losses you had over here. And you'll be in big gains also. And then what happened, because this one I was eyeing and I was looking at it, and I told the team, oh my God, you're going to short it. You're going to add to your shorts. Look at this. It comes down, goes up, retests the Indy, boom. And the team added a big amount over here. Because why? The funding rates were positive. Everything was looking, the volume was decreasing. So they added a big chunk over here. Because they're not afraid. And let me tell you why they're not afraid. Let me show you why they're not afraid. Because when you enter over here a big position on a short, they don't fear. They've got their stop loss above the indicator. So if the 1 hour would have closed above it, they just cash out. They take a very tiny, small loss over here, and they're already in a lot of gains over here. So they took some profits over here, because if you would go to the 4 hour, you see, this is where they took profits. You see this or not? Guys, I'm taking you step by step here. This is sick. Why am I doing this, by the way? I don't know why I'm doing this. So, listen. Look, 4 hour. This is where they closed their position. And then over here, they made another entry, big entry over here, and they're making money again. And you've got the ones that don't care. Well, we are over here. This was our entry. We just let it run. We don't care. Indicator, no indicator, support zone, no support zone. This thing has been ramping up so fast, this Ponzi coin. So we'll just stay in, and we're going for the big gains. So let me tell you about that big gains also. That's something very important for you guys to understand, because I think that a lot of people don't understand this also. The position that has been opened over here, when we go down like this, because I think we're probably going to make another low over here. I think we're going to make another low. But when this happens, they take profits on the resistance, but they take partial profits. So meaning, if they have a position of 100K over here, they decrease over here 20 or 25%. Over here, they decrease another 25%. Over here, they add a big chunk. And over here, they decrease that what they made over here, they decrease it over here. And that's how they keep running it down. And at some point, if this thing will show some strength, they will get stopped out and they just go out. But this is how they make those P&Ls that I keep sharing with you guys on Twitter, the 800, 1000%, 1200%, just like IO, 550%. That's how they do it. It's not that they opened up their position over here and they just hodl it down with the risk that it comes down, comes up again. No, what they do is they take partial profits. So they leave their position that they opened over here. They only decrease 25%, another 25%. Over here, they add it again. Over here, they decrease it again. And that's in the same position. They're making money over and over and over and over again. I know, guys, this goes a bit deep. But this is how professional traders do it. Because why? You're protecting your funds, you're making gains, and you will not get wrecked. And I know, guys, I know it's a bit difficult to explain this in this live stream now. And I'm going to stop now also because this is something that I have. I need every step. Actually, I need every step needs its own trading course vid. I'm going to make a trading course vid on BLOFIN. I was yesterday checking the BLOFIN. These guys, it's really mind-blowing. They've got a beautiful, beautiful trading page. I was testing it yesterday, and I was also adding my indicator into their web page, and it works so smoothly, and so it's really mind-blowing, BLOFIN, by the way, guys. But I'm going to make a trading course with about leverage trading on BLOFIN. I'm going to use the BLOFIN, so we're not even going to use this. We're not even going to use the trading view page. We're just going to do it directly on BLOFIN. It's mind-blowing. But that's something for the free private. For the ones that want to join the free private link is below. BLOFIN is for the team. Team is BLOFIN team. I am the BLOFIN Weex OKX team. So let's see who's going to win that one. So if you want to join the team, BLOFIN, there's a link below. Start active trading. By the way, if you already have a BLOFIN, it's no problem. Just DM me. My contact person can flip you from wherever you are to the GTC community, and that way you can get access. So guys, enough about this. I hope that you guys really learned something over here. And you know, there was one guy, he DM'd me yesterday. He told me, Ambi, I watched your trading course vid, and you know, he doesn't even have the indicator. So he was not trading on the indicator. He doesn't have it. He told me, bro, I watched it and I showed it exactly as you said, that it probably will make a lower low. And he entered over here and he went on 100 and I don't know what it was, what exchange he was trading on. He told me 100x. I told him, it's not possible. You cannot trade Popcat. He told me, yes, I can. I don't know what exchange. He made so much money. I told him, but it's very risky. Everyone that's using 100x is crazy. So I wouldn't suggest for you guys to do that one. Okay, well, enough about this, guys. I'm going to give you guys 10 seconds. Push on the like, give your questions. If you got some questions about what I just explained over here, and then I'm going to jump into the markets. I'm going to jump into some altcoins. I was this morning, yesterday, I was the whole day busy with adding retailers that are active trading on BLOFIN Weex to add them to the new Discord, to the private group. It was really, because the team didn't do it yesterday. I did it myself yesterday, and I was so tired at the end of the day. So I added everyone that has the right, that fulfill the requirements. And today in the morning, I was eyeing, because the team was asking me, show us some short setups. And well, maybe you guys can help me. I couldn't find a lot of them because, you know, it hurts me in my eyes. These coins are also super wrecked. Okay, guys, well, show some love, 10 seconds, and then we will go back in and do our second part of the stream. Yes, yes, yes. Thank you, thank you. Okay, let's jump in, guys. What did I want? I want to show you guys this one, by the way, guys. Look at this. I've been sharing this now for like weeks, but look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at this. This is the Euro stocks, Bitcoin. Euro stocks, Bitcoin. You see this move over here, this move, this move, this move. Are you seeing this? Are you seeing this move over here? Look at it. Look at this move. Look at this move. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Those Euro stocks are so correlated to Bitcoin. It's really mind-blowing. Guys, this is what I do. I'm always connecting charts, always connecting charts. That's what made me financially independent. I'm always connecting charts while everyone is focused on whatever out there, some meme coin or some this or that or whatever. I'm always, this is my thing, trying to predict the next move of Bitcoin. That's how I became financially independent, because this drop, Bitcoin, by the way, Bitcoin is holding strong against the markets yesterday, by the way. Something that's bullish. That's bullish for now. Could change any moment, but for now, it's holding pretty strong against the market. So I'm liking that one. So let me see, what do we got? What do we got over here? What do we got over here? Morning, super info. Thank you, Mohammed Ali. Please explain how to get access with BLOFIN on team trading setups, same requirements to access the private group. Tony Lopez. It's very simple, Tony Lopez. It's very simple. You need to be trading on volume. If you don't own the funds, you don't go into, especially not the team risk trades. I explained it in the beginning of the stream. If you don't own the funds, you'll get liquidated. It's just as simple. Only one spike will get you in liquidated. So if you don't, you really need to be a little bit educated. You need the basics of leverage trading, first of all, and you need the funds. So even if you have got like a small amount of money, and you could also leverage trade, but you have to do it on very low amounts, so you'll not get liquidated. But you know, the problem is, especially with the people that don't own enough funds, they get greedy at some point. And then maybe they'll make a move of like 60-70%, and they made like, let's just say they made $30 or $50. And then that $30-40, the greed will get into them and will tell them, that's not so much. Maybe we should risk a little more. And then when that greed gets into you, you get liquidated. So to trade, to get into the risk trades, first of all, you need to be really a volume trader. So first of all, if you're not a volume trader, you have nothing to do at the team risk trades. In my private group, you can, but you need also be trading a bit on volume. Why? Because I need to keep the scammers out. And if you're trading with pennies, I don't want people to get into my private group so they can copy paste whatever I'm sharing over there to get it in another group and get like $200-300 a month, taking it from whatever paid groups out there. So that's about that. Right, I tried to DCA short on ZRO yesterday. I wasn't patient enough for it to down. Kareem, I was checking ZRO. I was checking ZRO in the morning. ZRO, you have to be careful because it's a new coin. It's a new altcoin. I was checking also the tokenomics. The tokenomics are not looking good, by the way. So it is a coin that I would be interested in sharing for a short, Kareem. But, you know, there is just not enough data available on ZRO. So it's dangerous if they could pump it even more. But, you know, the thing with this ZRO, it's one of the coins that I'm eyeing to make a very, very big short on for the team. So that's something for sure, Kareem. But it's, you know, the tokenomics are also, there are a lot of sellers out there having coins, locked up coins, etc. So that's about that. Kuchi, what is on? Riff Pop, Kuchi, why? Bye, Donkey. You're welcome. Let me see. Kuchi, why Kuchi Riff Pop? What's going on with Kuchi? Why are you so interested in Kuchi? What's going on with Kuchi? Kuchi had a nice rise up, but what's going on with Kuchi? Why are you so interested? Well, Riff Pop is interested in Kuchi. There is something going on. Why is Riff Pop so interested in Kuchi? Kujira. What's going on? Okay. Kujira. What a nice head and shoulder. Are you seeing it on the weekly? Beautiful. Beautiful. Head and shoulder. Boom down. I would be interested in Kujira at lower levels, Riff Pop, to be honest. Investment wise. I don't know what Kujira is going on. This is also a support zone where we're heading now into, by the way, but you know, I don't know. I don't know enough about Kujira. So if I would buy Kujira, let me put on my alarm. I put it over here. At this moment, you know, guys, I still think that Bitcoin needs to dump to the 50K level. So for me to enter a trade or to buy a long-term bag over here, it could make a nice rise up to the India over here, possible, but I would rather buy the ones that are at these levels, just like this box. So that's about Kujira. I don't know. Let me check the tokenomics of Kujira while we're here. Let me check it, because Kujira is they did very good during the bear market, the bear cycle. Let me see, what's Kuji? What's Kuji doing? Kuji. So that's very, very, very low volume, Riff Pop. The volume is almost dead, but the tokenomics look good. It's 147, so 147. There are not a lot of sellers out there. So Kuji, I don't know if Kuji has got something going on, Riff Pop. Might be interesting. Might be interesting. Ants. Why is everyone so interested? I'm seeing ants. Everybody's talking about ants. You guys want to short ants. All of you guys want to short ants. Why do you want to short ants? Ethereum name service here. Ants. Well, you know, it's dangerous to short something that's related to Ethereum, because we're gonna get the Ethereum cycle. But this is looking good. This box, are you seeing it? Ta-da! So if you're interested in shorting ants, this box, I would take this box. So this is not the time to, but guys, you know me, I'm a safe trader. I'm a gain trader, I'm a safe trader. And I don't like to short coins that have something going on. And, you know, everything Ethereum related, I would short anything else. Like meme coins, like whatever coins out there, like Kaspa. Why not Kaspa? Because these things are related to Ethereum. And Ethereum, when markets start ramping up, everything related to Ethereum will probably make a big rise up. So be careful. So if you want to short, you have to choose your targets. When a lion goes into a herd of sheep, he will probably take the weakest one, not the strongest one. In leverage trading, it's the same. So if you want to choose your targets, don't go short the strongest one. You will have a hard time shorting it. That's just me. What to say? What to say? Link. Yes, let's do link. Why not link? Link. Link, I've shared it today. Wheels are accumulating link, and I know why, because link is related, guys. Link is related to Ethereum also. It's one of the ETH narratives, and link is a monster. So link, guys, this looks super bearish. The most bullish formation, you know what the most bullish formation, this triple. So this triple over here, 1, 2, 3, and we also got a double over here. So this is looking really super bullish on the charts. Really looking. This is against Bitcoin, by the way, guys. This is looking really bullish on the, because this thing, if it starts ramping up, link will make you an easy 2x, 3x. So guys, keep this in mind. This looks very good. Looks very good. But we didn't dump yet on Bitcoin. I want to dump. I want to dump on the US 500 and Bitcoin, and that's when we will destroy all our longs. Everything will get destroyed. We're gonna make sick money. I'm almost 100% sure of that. Patient. patient. So if you're bullish on Link, let me go into the Link ETH chart. You see this? It's the same thing. 1, 2, 3. Also looking bullish against ETH. Let me show you guys the Link USDT chart. How is that one looking? Well, we had this channel, we broke down. Let me show you. Oh, this is a beautiful head and shoulder, by the way. This is a beautiful head and shoulder. So this is bearish, by the way. What a head and shoulder. You know, I've said it a lot of time. I'm interested in Link around 11 bucks, 10 bucks. I want, you know, this rise up. You remember this rise up. If it would, suppose that Bitcoin will dump down. And I know that if Bitcoin dumps down, Link will also dump down. Guys, I'll be buying a big bag, a very big bag over here. Link is, by the way, one of the strongest coins out there. Link. So, guys, Link, let me make it a bit higher. So Link, everything in this box is just DCA. And I think that the team will also start longing on leverage. So Link will be longed on leverage also. I know for sure that the team will long this one, and they will long it for a massive gain. So this head and shoulder, we've got this neckline over here. If it gets broken, the target will be something like this. So it will be something into the box, but this would be really capitulation. So Link, you know, with Link is a safe coin in my opinion. So if you start buying in on leverage, do it on low leverage and with a very far liquidation level, just like I showed you guys. And if you buy it on spot, just buy in. Everything on 11 bucks or lower, I'll be buying Link. Link is just a safe trade. It's just a safe trade in my opinion. So that's about Link. Obluda, the indicator. That's the answer. Indicator Obluda. When we got events, indicator rules. That's the most important one. So Obluda, when events come in, FOMCs, this, that, indicator rules, in, out, in, out, in, out. And why in, out, I mean, because this is also something that a lot of retailers in leverage trading don't understand. When you go into the in and out style with the indicator on the lower time frames, what they do is they don't take profits. So they do get stop lossed out on break even or a small loss, but when they are in profits, they don't take it. That's not how it works. When the choppy markets happen, when you are in profits, you always take some profit, decrease your bags, your positions. So meaning if you go in with $1,000 on a 20x and you made 25%, take at least 30-40% out. Take the profit. So when you get stop lossed, when you get stopped out, that's when you already made your profits. So it's a lot of retailers, they want to make either the big gain or they take a loss or at break even. That's not how it works in gain trading. You always take the damn profits. When you have profits, decrease your position. Take profits. That's a good one, Top Dog. I like that one, Top Dog. Morning AM, good morning Olivia, also Carol, good morning Ragvendra, Gala please, let me see, it seems like a safe trade, Rocket Box, could you do, okay, we're gonna do these and then we're gonna close it up, guys. Let's see, what do we've got, we've got first of all, I want to do Looper, yeah, let me go to my ETH coins. Yes, LRC, guys, LRC is one of the coins I'm really eyeing. This monster, because I know that when the ETH narrative will start ramping up, this coin will explode. This coin will explode. And especially what I like about this, nobody's talking about LRC. Nobody. Nobody's talking about LRC. And I love it when nobody's talking about it. Because why? It means that they're either accumulating it or they don't see it. So as long as those influencers are not talking about LRC, that's good. That's good news for us. Please don't talk about LRC. Let it get wrecked. Let us buy in. And when we buy in at the bottom again, that's when you guys will probably start talking about LRC. And that's when we start selling our bags to your FOMO followers. It's just how it works. So, oh my God, LRC against Bitcoin. Are you seeing this, guys? Oh my God, I love this. I love this. Wait a minute. Let me see the volume on LRC. Thanks for putting LRC. Thanks for putting this one out. I'm really interested in LRC. I know LRC. I made so much money on LRC in the previous cycles. This cycle, oh my God, this is looking so good. Looking so good. 238 fully diluted to 40. This is looking good. Come on. Come on. So wait a minute. We've got this low and we've got this low. Wait a minute. It's live charting, guys. You have to bear with me and educate and learn to do this yourself. So we've got this level. It has, we made a new low. You see it, we made a new, so no problem. Just keep dumping, please. Keep dumping. I want this thing over here, guys. We already bottoming out against Bitcoin. I seeing this because these moves that you're seeing over here, it's just a matter of time. These moves, boom, 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 boom. Over here, this boom, boom, boom. This is going to happen, guys. This is going to happen. It's going to happen. It's just a matter when it's going to happen. And when it's going to happen, we have to be in. So let me see. One moment. Yes, LRC, looping. My baby looping. Okay, let me see. Looking good. Let me see this one. Looping. Yes. Okay. This is where I will start buying looping. 12 cents and lower. So everything 13 cents, 13 cents, 12 cents, whatever. I'll be buying looping. I just accumulate looping. I don't care. I'll just buy it, hodl it, and until it makes me a lot of money. So in this box, so everything around 13, 12 cents. And if it goes lower, I just buy more. I just buy more, and just hodl it until I'm gonna make money. No financial advice, do your own research. It's just my opinion, just how I see it. Okay, that's about LRC. CRV had got something going on. I don't know there was something going on. Someone's getting liquidated on, I don't know what it was. So I don't know, I don't like these DeFi coins, to be honest, but CRV. It had this, there was something going on with someone's getting liquidated, or let me check the tokenomics of the CRV thing. CRV. But it could be a nice buying opportunity. Agreed. Because look at the chart. Okay. Well, I'm not liking the tokenomics. This is an old dog. It still's got a 600 mil fully diluted on a 350. That's not good. Because this coin should be having, this coin should already be having a healthy market cap. Why is it still, you see, this is the difference between like a coin like LRC and like CRV. CRV still, after this coin is from 2020, and we're now 4 years later, and still the fully diluted market cap is 600 against a 350. Not interested. Sorry, not interested. Hi, now week. Hi, bro. So we got that one. XNO. Carol, XNO. I really have no clue what XNO is, by the way. XNO. What is XNO? XNO. It's on Binance. Oh, okay. Let me use the XNO. Is it Nano? Is XNO Nano? XNO. Carol, explain yourself. What is this? Nano. Okay, Nano. Let me check over here. What is this? I really have no clue what is this. XNO. What is Nano? Nano. I know Nano. I forgot about Nano. But I didn't know it was XNO. Satellite network focused on addressing okay, well, the tokenomics look healthy, but I don't know what I have to do some research on this coin. I really have no what is this? I really have no. It's a new coin, I think, or not. I really don't know. But this is looking so freaking. I don't know. I have to do some research on, well, we're heading into the buy zone. So 70 cents until the 50 cents. If you did your research on the coin and you liked it, I really have no clue what it is. So thanks for that. Okay, you're welcome over there. You're welcome. Yeah, it was before rate blocks. Okay, it was rate blocks before. Okay, well, if you want to buy it, if you believe in the project, you think something going on, 65 cents. So current finance get liquidated amid sharp drop in sales. Yeah, well, I know top dog. So Beam, yeah, Tony Lepers. I've been watching Beam. It's a monster. Beam is a monster. Beam, we made a lot of money in the free private team shorting Beam. I don't know what's going on with this Beam thing. What is going on with Beam? Look at this. We shorted this thing over here, by the way, for the ones that haven't been following me. Over here is when the team shorted Beam. Do the math. Do the math. So let me see one moment. Beam. What's going on with Beam? One moment. Let me check this one first. By the way, guys, we're gonna close it up. I'm already way too late for my other things. Let's see what we got on Beam. Come. 1 billion. Well, looking good. We just hit this liquidity zone over here, guys, and it's holding. It wanna bounce off. Let me put on the indicator what's showing nothing. Let me put it on the daily. Well, we're testing that indicator as we speak. Beam. Well, let me just say I'm not interested in Beam, guys. That's just how it. Oh yeah, Freedom. That's a good one. I'm gonna do this one, the last one, OGN, and then we're gonna close it up. Thanks for showing me OGN. Yes, OGN, guys. This is a hidden gem. This is a project we have to keep a focus on. This project will probably do also. This one is just like LRC. I'm eyeing this OGN. Look at this. What is this? Why is this chart showing this? I don't want a chart like this. I want a normal chart. Go away. OGN USDT. Go. Yeah. Let me do the Binance one. Let me do this one. Yes, this looking much. Yeah. Well, we're reaching the box, guys. OGN, guys. I'm just saying, listen, this thing has got a market cap of 59 million at this moment. The fully diluted is at 143, so there are some sellers left over here, but this thing is super undervalued. Super undervalued. I'm just saying, remember what I just said. OGN is super undervalued. Although it has got a fully diluted market of 143, I'm really interested in this project. I want to buy it, but I want to buy it in the box. I don't want to buy it now. I want this thing to come back into the box. So I want to buy it at 80 cents, 70 cents, 60 cents. I want to buy it over here, guys. Make that last dump down and let us buy the freaking blood. I'm telling you, every freaking one of you guys that is in this stream and is watching this vid, after I released it, there is a very high probability that you're going to make a lot of money. But you need to be, just like I keep teaching you, you have to be patient. Wait, be patient. Love your money, your cash, love it. Because the cash that you're owning now is the cash that's going to buy you a lot of assets at very bloody bottoms. And that's how you make, because you can buy now 10K of OGN coins and you can buy them over here. You can buy maybe 15 or 17K of OGN coins. Do the math. Buy the freaking blood. I'm getting emotional. That means that I need to close this stream. Okay, guys, I'm gonna do some charting from some other altcoins also. If you wanna, while the music is banging in, just like always, I wanna thank you all again. I really love you guys one by one. And I know that every freaking one of you guys that is in this stream, if you just focus and listen to me and don't be greedy. Don't FOMO in. Even if you see an altcoin ramping up 50%, 60%, and you think to yourself, wait a minute, oh my God, why didn't I follow that shiller? It went up 50, 60%, I didn't get in, so, oh my God, I need to buy in now, and then they will wreck you. Just be patient. Be patient. Don't be the gambler. Be the trader. Be the smart investor. Just be patient, guys. Patient. And you will see that money flowing in. It's no financial advice. I cannot give any financial advice because I'm no financial advisor, but I'm by far the best trader on the webs. That's something I know for sure. And everyone that has been watching my streams, they want to buy OGN over here. They want to buy OGN over here. They wanted to buy OGN over here. Over here was, listen, one of the biggest shillers influencers on YouTube, sorry, not on YouTube, on X. He has got like 800K followers. He has been telling people over here to buy OGN. Over here, guys. This was just 2 months ago. 2 months ago. Listen, 2 months ago. These people are in a 70% loss as we speak now. The ones that have been with me, although I was very bullish on OGN, I told you over here, no, wait for it. And this box has been here for a while. Nobody believed me when we were over here. Nobody believed me over here that OGN could come down over here. Especially those guys following this influencer. When I told them I will buy, I'm bullish on OGN, but I will not buy it at 25 cents. I will buy it at 10 cents or lower. And then they're all spitting on me, calling me names. And I've seen this like 3-4 years. It's always the same story. They hate me over here and they love me over here. That's just how it works, because they believe them, and then when they get wrecked, and then they come back to me. Hey, MB, well, you said it. Yes, I said it. I've been saying it for years. Oh, yeah, we should have listened to you. I don't need that crap now. You should have listened to me over here and not over here. I don't care about you listening to me over here, because your money is already wrecked to 70%, and you are listening to that paid shiller over here. I don't need your sympathy, and you will not get my sympathy. I want you to listen to me when you can save your money. If I cannot save your money anymore, I don't need you. I don't need you. Don't follow me. Don't watch my streams. I want you to listen to me when we're here. But you don't want that. Okay, no problem. The team shorted this, and you're on like 70% losses, and they will be using the money that they shorted over here. So the money that they shorted over here, they're going to buy in over here. So it's free money. They're not even going to touch their investment portfolio. Just the gains that they made over here, they will buy in over here. That's gain trading. That's professional trading. That's smart money. Thank you all for watching. If you want to join the free private, BLOFIN is your fastest way in this month. BLOFIN is your fastest way in. So if you want to join us at BLOFIN, if you already have a BLOFIN, just DM me your UID, and then my contact can flip you to the GTC BLOFIN traders. Have a nice one, guys. I love you all. Show some love. Bye.
Yeah.